is 5:30 right now, and we're getting ready to go get picked up for our tour to Nusa Penida this morning. I'm tired, but I'm excited to see this this little island. This morning, I found a dead cockroach, which is the first inside our room bug we found. That's pretty good, I think, but still. Ugh. But we're gonna take speedboats over, and then we're gonna go snorkeling at like 5 different spots. It's gonna be fun. There's a Pertamina refinery here, and I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna work hard. Yeah, I'm of this island. It's the start of a motorcycle race. 3, 2, 1. Start your engines. Snarfing down granola before we go on this boat tour. We didn't have time for breakfast, but they're really good. Oh, that's a feeling. The dock is moving.
So guys, this is our boat.
Morning. We had read in the reviews that crossing the waterway between Bali and the main island was rough, but we were not prepared for the boat to be launching itself from wave to wave. If you do plan to go on an excursion like this, all I can say is Dramamine. After a morning of snorkeling, we began exploring the island of Nusa Penida.
Dapat ginawa ko na bisido.
It's like mine's already signed. As I immediately get a spine.
Oh no.
I feel like I'm talking super loud. I have so much water in my ear. It feels so much better to get that out of my ear. All I had to do was tip my head upside down. This guy. You want a bintang? Bintang? No, I know. He does not feel well, you can tell. I don't want to get in the back. Oh god. Whew. Well, cool. This is a private tour. We lost 4 people in our group. We weren't feeling well, so.
Oh.
Yeah. They're just gonna stay there on the beds.
That makes sense.
Yep.
Oh,
They
they're
left
staying.
they left all their beer in the.
Whoa, free beer.
Who's staying?
Free beer.
The older couple?
Yeah.
Oh, the lady.
The lady and
The lady
the.
and the 3 guys.
Yeah,
Guys.
she was not happy.
Yeah.
She was not having a good time. She's got to get back. I don't know if she realizes it.
Well,
I think with
wonder
the
if they
ferry.
just skip the.
Get out of here, Fly. You are not welcome.
Skip this tour. And
Yeah.
Just meet us as well.
Well, I'm just wondering if they're even like, yeah, like taking the ferry back instead of the.
Which, I mean, it's still gonna be hell.
Just send slower.
It'll probably be worse.
I don't like this slower.
Yeah, same. Get it over
I was
with.
fine going straight. It was the side to side that just went immediately like, oh no. And it's my head, not my stomach.
Oh, yeah.
It's not, it's the equilibrium. It's not, I I thought it was going to be, but no, it was just, my equilibrium was just off.
All right. 45-minute land tour. We're just gonna drive around, so I'm probably gonna nap. Huh?
I thought we were walking.
Oh, no. Hope not.
No, he said it was a drive up
I love it.
somewhere.
Cool. Sweet.
Even better.
All right, here we go.
Even did you see the one black cow that I've seen so far?
No. Did you get a picture?
No. I didn't have my phone.
This island is dry. Oh, they get close.
Look at even the mirror closing in. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, cow.
Oof.
You could exchange information.
Wow. Whew.
This guys follow me here. Walk like 5 minutes. Ya, lalu bola pada buku.
Wow. Man, we have better roads out in Montana, like on the dirt tracks, like into uninhabited ranches than that one getting up here. But this is beautiful. Oh yeah, the stairs are...
Yeah. I was watching people climb up when we were driving in. And I was like, nope. You go down.
It's a lot faster down if you just go this way.
You have to come back up. And I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
There's somebody down there writing help in the sand.
Send helicopter. You gonna get down there and feed him? Oh God. Careful.
Yeah, these ones don't have that same mentality, but I still don't want anything else.
They straight up come up and look and see what I was digging in to see if I found anything.
Huh?
You're cute though.
Man, this just doesn't, once it goes.
Oh God.
He's trying to get it open.
Oh, we got it. He just
Wow.
bit right into it. He knows what's up.
That's impressive.
Fresh, cold water.
He's like, are you trying to steal that from me?
I am not. Smart monkey.
Good work, bud. Don't.
I was like, I don't know why you would do that.
Okay, yeah, I'm getting out of here. He was not okay with Roy trying to help him with the water. Whew. I don't blame him, it being this hot. I'd want that water too.
Miss, from here. Idhar aao, idhar. Excuse me, miss. From here. Mama ko idhar aao. From here.
Oh, that was nice. God, that was fat. Time to get our guts all rattled around again. Oof. Here we go.
He got like perfect.
Holy moly. You're gonna have to keep that. They're not gonna want that bag.
It's so pretty.
Roy stole a napkin from the
I just
dinner
borrowed
last
it
night.
For Jenny for
For my,
sweat
See,
towel.
there's your souvenir. You can,
It is very
it's
pretty.
like your Nienta one.
yeah, of all the ones that were on the table, this was the prettiest one.
Of course.
Roy does have a good eye for floral patterns.
And thievery. Oh my God, look at my hair. Is it? Look like alfalfa. Alright,
Mana kita buat?
time to go.
Jangan.
You want to put those in the back?
I can.
Okay.
So many fish.
We saw 3 turtles. That was really neat.
So
Really neat.
cool. Water was clear. So much coral.
Yep. And the current was perfect. I love it. They dropped us off and then they came around to pick us up.
Well, they just let us coast and
Yep.
it was like here, here, here.
That was
There was coral that they're, I should say, they printed structures to create new coral.
Yep. And it looks so healthy and vibrant. It was really cool. What do you think? Yeah? Took us 45 minutes to get out here. It's going to take us 10 to get back. We might lose a couple people. It's a good end of the day.
Total trip.
Total adventure.
Adventure.
Thank you. Solid land.
Solid land. Oh.
Whew. Hi, handsome.
Then we go find our driver.
Yeah. Okay, sneaky shower taken. Time to go. Time to ride back up north for a million hours later. Oh my god, I look like a crazy person. Here we go. Bye, guys. Have a good one. Oh yeah, come ride a horse.
Guys, enjoy your holiday.
Thank you, that was great.
Don't forget that, guys.
Yes, absolutely. It's fantastic. Yep.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
The line for the toilet
Oh,
was
yeah.
too long.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The shower.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Right move. Also the drive.
Oh yeah, also the pickup. Do a pickup for sure. Whoa.